Setting up the conversion API for Facebook with WordPress involves several steps to ensure accurate tracking of events. Here's a guide. Log into your Facebook business account and navigate to Events Manager. In Events Manager, select your business and then click on Aggregated Event Measurement. Configure your domain and choose Setup next to Conversion API. Copy your access token provided by Facebook. Install and activate the Facebook for WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Integrations. Paste your Facebook access token in the appropriate field under the Facebook Pixel section. Enable the Conversion API option within the Facebook Pixel settings. Save your changes. Return to Events Manager on Facebook and under Conversion API, select Test Events to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once testing is successful, start sending data from your WordPress site to Facebook by integrating WordPress's Conversions API. Set up the necessary standard events such as view content, add to cart, purchase, etc. on your WordPress site to track customer actions accurately.